50 push-ups a day. Effects of daily 50 push-ups on your body. Doing 50 push-ups a day can indeed have several positive effects on your body, primarily targeting the muscles in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Here are some potential facts. Increased strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, promoting overall upper body strength. Doing 50 push-ups daily challenges your muscles, leading to increased strength over time. Muscle endurance. Push-ups require both strength and endurance. By performing 50 push-ups each day, you are training your muscles to endure sustained effort, contributing to improved muscle endurance. Hypertrophy. Muscle growth. The process you mentioned, involving micro-tears in muscle fibers that are repaired and replaced with new tissue, is known as hypertrophy. This can lead to muscle growth, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Core activation. While push-ups primarily target the upper body, they also engage the core muscles for stabilization. Regularly doing 50 push-ups can contribute to improved core strength and stability. Convenience and consistency. Like the 10 push-ups mentioned earlier, doing 50 push-ups a day offers the convenience of a bodyweight exercise that requires no equipment. It can also serve as a consistent daily routine, helping to establish a healthy fitness habit. It's important to note that while doing 50 push-ups a day can provide benefits, a well-rounded fitness routine that includes a variety of exercises for different muscle groups, along with cardiovascular and flexibility training, is ideal for our overall fitness. Additionally, proper form is crucial to prevent injury, so make sure you are performing push-ups with the correct technique. As with any exercise routine, it's advisable to listen to your body. Gradually increase intensity and consult with a fitness professional or a healthcare provider if you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions.